everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a logo designs easily from a photo of a object using AI, and this is 100% free. First, just open your ChatGPT. Yeah, in here we will use ChatGPT, and then after that, just tap on Create Image. This one, click on Create Image, and then on Explore Ideas, just choose these styles icon designs. This one. Just click these options or these styles, and then in here ChatGPT will automatically create a prompt for you, and if you want you can just tweak the prompt a little, just tweak it as you like, and then after that just upload the photo that you want to turn into a logos or icons. Maybe I want to choose this picture and like this, and then after that just simply click on send prompt and wait a moment. And okay, like this, you will get the results like this. You will get the several logos designs or icons designs like this, and I think it's so cute. It's super cute, and it's the result. It's really good, I think. And okay, that's it. Maybe if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.